Welcome to this tutorial on how to hide sidebars in Figma 2025. Hiding sidebars can help you maximize your screen real estate and focus on your design work. To start, open your Figma project and take a look at the interface. You will see several sidebars, including the Layers panel, Assets panel, and Plugin panel, among others. To hide a sidebar, simply click on the tab at the top of the sidebar and drag it to the center of the screen. This will create a floating window that you can move around and resize as needed. Alternatively, you can also hide a sidebar by going to the View menu and selecting the Toggle Sidebar option. This will toggle the visibility of the sidebar on and off. If you want to hide all sidebars at once, you can use the shortcut key Command-Shift-S on a Mac or Control-Shift-S on a PC. This will hide all sidebars and give you a full screen view of your design. To show a hidden sidebar, simply go to the View menu and select the Show Sidebar option. You can also use the shortcut key Command-Shift-S on a Mac or Control-Shift-S on a PC to toggle the visibility of all sidebars on and off. It is worth noting that hiding sidebars can also be done on a per-file basis. This means that if you have multiple files open in Figma, you can hide sidebars in one file without affecting the other files. Best practices for hiding sidebars in Figma include using the shortcut keys to quickly toggle the visibility of sidebars on and off, and using the floating window feature to create a customized workflow that works for you. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively hide sidebars in Figma 2025 and improve your design workflow. Remember to experiment with different configurations to find what works best for you and your design needs.